What's up, YouTube? Here's some positivity. I positively love Trader Joe's frozen meals. Vegan Tikka Masala. This is bomb. They got a rhythm problem. Whoop whoop, chicken chicken, whoop whoop, chicken head. Y'all remember that song? If you like Indian food, and even if you do like meat and dairy products, try this because it's really amazing. They really aced the flavor. I'm not gonna lie, this is amazing flavor.
I do not have enough time in this YouTube short to list all the ingredients, but I can tell you the product contains wheat, soy, coconut, and cashews. Rave in your fridge not included. Please pick some up today.